Virtual Beings News Summary August 10, 2025. Virtual reality headsets are enabling elderly residents in German retirement homes to travel to distant locations, historic cities, and natural landmarks without leaving their facilities, enhancing their quality of life through immersive experiences. AI companions, including apps like Character.ai and Replika.ai, are increasingly used by teens to create digital friends or romantic partners available for constant interaction, with new legislation in New York setting operational requirements for such systems. Concerns are emerging over the psychological impact of grief tech, where AI avatars and grief bots allow conversations with deceased individuals, including reconstructions of public figures such as a Parkland shooting victim. Nigerian designers are adopting avatars for virtual fashion presentations at Africa Fashion Week London 2025, expanding cross-continental access to runway experiences. Akul has unveiled holographic avatar displays powered by its AI video generation suite for real-world retail engagement. In metaverse applications, virtual casinos allow players to interact via customizable avatars in real-time social settings. Pophouse Entertainment, under incoming CEO Jessica Caravos, is expanding its entertainment portfolio, though specific avatar-related projects were not detailed. Verse Immersive offers an augmented reality attraction integrating holograms into interactive storytelling. Electronic Arts is offering free avatar decorations for Battlefield 6 players via a Discord event. Animoca Brands, in partnership with Provlabs, is launching the Nuva RWA marketplace and has acquired a majority stake in Cool Cats Group to expand its NFT avatar ecosystem, while also participating in a stablecoin joint venture with Standard Chartered and Hong Kong Telecommunications. Former CNN anchor Jim Acosta conducted an interview with an AI-generated avatar of Parkland shooting victim Joaquin Oliver, raising ethical questions about synthetic media. Synthetic media companies such as Synthesia, HeyGen, and Veritone are producing AI-generated multimedia including avatars for commercial and creative purposes. The NFTopia 5 Metaverse Convention is showcasing avatars within blockchain-based environments, offering learn and earn experiences alongside exhibitors like Wax Blockchain and Hive Blockchain. In the broadcasting sector, ATF's May platform is positioning itself as a backbone for next-generation AI-driven broadcasting in ASEAN. Meta's Reality Labs division continues to develop advanced VR hardware while also working on full-body codec avatars running in real time on Quest 3. Meta has also acquired Waveforms AI to integrate emotionally intelligent AI-generated voices into metaverse environments. Carve is developing infrastructure for sovereign AI beings, autonomous on-chain agents with persistent memory and identity, running on the Carve SVM chain. Shai's Grok platform has released new AI companions and customizable personas, including a NSFW spicy mode, and offers fully animated 3D avatars for interaction. Google DeepMind's Genie 3 world model introduces real-time synthetic reality generation that could underpin future avatar-based environments. The use of grief bots and posthumous AI avatars has fueled debate over digital immortality, with advocates envisioning AI reconstructions that can evolve over time. Ethical concerns also surround AI companions' impact on youth, with regulatory attention increasing. These developments tie into a growing cultural conversation about the boundaries of identity, authenticity, and consent in AI-mediated human interaction. On August 1, 2025, Illinois became the first U.S. state to ban AI from acting as a therapist under the newly enacted Wellness and Oversight for Psychological Resources Act, HB 1806, which prohibits AI from providing therapeutic services, making treatment decisions, diagnosing, or engaging in therapeutic communication without human oversight. The law, enforced by the Illinois Department of Financial and Professional Regulation, allows fines up to $10,000 per violation and restricts AI use to non-therapeutic, administrative, or supplementary roles under the supervision of a licensed provider, with patient consent. Exemptions include faith-based counseling, peer support groups, and public self-help tools that do not claim to offer therapy. Lawmakers cited safety concerns and incidents of harmful AI advice as justification, and observers suggest the measure could influence similar legislation in other states and federal regulation. PipeCat is an open-source Python framework, developed with support from the PipeCat community and Daily.co, for creating real-time voice and multimodal conversational AI agents that can see, hear, and speak. It provides orchestration tools, SDKs for multiple platforms, and integration with services like Twilio, OpenAI, Soniox, Google, and Tovis, enabling developers to build voice assistants, chatbots, and structured conversation flows. The framework supports extensions such as PipeCat Flows for complex dialogue management, Smart Turn for audio turn detection, and various transports for real-time audio/video streaming. Developers can implement features like speech-to-text, text-to-speech, vision input, function calling, and multimodal interactions, using integrations with LLMs and APIs from multiple providers. Pipecast offers client libraries for JavaScript, React, and other environments, along with detailed documentation, quick start guides, and example projects for rapid development of custom AI agents. Multiple Roblox community discussions highlight user-created avatars and default character models, with specific nicknames such as Bacon Hair and Acorn Hair/Bacon Girl used to describe 2 of the 6 default avatars. Players also engage in customization through platforms like the Roblox Developer Forum, where creators can publish and sell custom emotes on the marketplace, adding expressive animations to avatars within experiences. Meta Store promotions introduce themed avatars, including exclusive festive designs like the Santa avatar and premium creations such as the dreaded Hydra, expanding avatar personalization in VR environments. In gaming-related creative tools, Unreal Engine's MetaHuman framework is used by Studio Ninjato to produce advanced digital hairstyles such as MetaHair 62, designed for highly realistic virtual humans. Additionally, content creators on TikTok share VTuber performances with various thematic elements, from comedic skits to character animations, reinforcing the entertainment role of virtual beings in live streaming and short-form video. WeBuild has launched its first AI voice interactive digital human, identified by the ticker $Builda, on the base platform. This digital human features interactive voice capabilities aimed at direct user engagement, with early indications of increased trading activity following its release. Unreal Engine's MetaHuman tools are being leveraged for precision in digital human modeling, with ongoing technical refinements such as correcting symmetry issues during facial sculpting. The HeyGen platform continues to develop its Avatar 4 feature, allowing users to choose between faster processing or higher visual fidelity at double the cost, catering to different production needs. Digital Twin Studio has also released early work under the label Digital Human V1, reflecting ongoing experimentation in digital human modeling. A high-profile ethical case involved the creation of an AI clone of a deceased teenager by his father, enabling a journalist to conduct an interview with the virtual recreation. The case, reported by BBC and other outlets, sparked public debate on the moral implications of using AI to replicate deceased individuals, particularly in contexts involving tragedy. This incident highlights ongoing societal concerns over the role of synthetic characters and digital resurrection technologies in personal and collective memory. In South Korea, AI was used to recreate the likeness of the late Kim Soon-duk, a former Japanese military comfort woman, as a digital human unveiled during a memorial ceremony at the House of Sharing in Gwangju, Gyeonggi Province, on the National Memorial Day for victims of Japanese military sexual slavery. The project employed AI-driven reconstruction to preserve her image and voice, enabling her virtual presence in conversations, such as responding to questions from Gyeonggi Governor Kim Dong-yeon. The initiative serves both as a cultural preservation tool and as a means of honoring victims' dignity and advocating for historical justice. Chinese AI company Sogou's successor entity, Silicon-Based Intelligence, has developed virtual host solutions that reduce operational costs for commercial clients by around 80% and has partnered with over 30 banks and insurance firms for intelligent customer service digital humans. The company has also contributed to virtual host projects for mainstream television stations. Similarly, Xiaoai Robot deployed a cloud-based virtual persona as a virtual host at the 2018 Big Data Expo, delivering event introductions and attendee reminders. In India, a member of parliament launched an AI avatar replicating his own face and voice to provide 24/7 public engagement. Another Indian project used an AI-based digital avatar to conduct a live interview with a deceased student, intended to promote gun control and created with the father's permission, sparking ethical debate. In China, Alibaba Pictures combined XR content with digital human technology for high-fidelity, immersive productions requiring precise calibration from material creation to on-site filming. Chinese virtual image projects also include educational and cultural programming, such as CCTV's use of a virtual depiction of Hanyu for audience interaction. In Wuxi, Jiangsu Province, the Public Security Bureau launched a metaverse-based digital human platform integrating digital twin, AI, and natural language processing technologies. Connected to the Taihu e-Police WeChat mini program, it provides services such as ID, residence permit, and passport processing, as well as information on legal documents like criminal record certificates. This digital police officer is part of the Xing Metaverse initiative, the first of its kind in China's public security sector, merging governance services with interactive virtual human engagement. Chinese brand communication platform Kuangfu AI offers digital doubles capable of live-stream e-commerce, large-scale short video production, and acting as virtual brand ambassadors. These avatars are designed to operate continuously, enhancing brand presence and commercial conversion efficiency. In addition, lightweight consumer tools allow individuals to create personalized digital doubles within hours using short video capture, enabling interactive marketing experiences. Tianjin has deployed digital humans within mobile applications to provide rapid, interactive responses to health-related inquiries, such as explaining acupuncture points. In Wuhan, the AI digital human Kangkang Jia engages with visitors in food safety exhibitions, answering nutrition-related questions. In Hainan, the AI microfilm features a digital human protagonist as part of a public heritage promotion campaign. In Fujian, the AI digital human Zuo Zongtang interacts with visitors at the China Shipbuilding Culture Museum, offering educational engagement on historical topics. In Hefei, the Municipal Government Services Center uses an integrated digital human inquiry and processing machine supporting over 1,000 administrative tasks. Wuxi's Public Security Department launched a metaverse police service hall with a 3D digital human for public interactions. In Hong Kong, the Office of the Government Chief Information Officer showcased digital human customer service times intelligent meetings at a governance-focused AI forum. In Ningxia, an intelligent digital human greeter and guide system provides voice interactive navigation for event attendees. In Xinjiang, experts discuss the role of digital humans in smart science venue construction. Guangzhou introduced AI digital human volunteers for the 15th National Games to provide event services. In Shandong, the Dunbao digital human delivers civil defense education interactively, while Xiaoshan Shui serves as the nation's first environmental protection broadcaster in the ecological sector. In Qinghai, a digital human expert named Ran Honglin guides visitors through a simulated Sangsingdu archaeological dig. In Guizhou and Heilongjiang, digital humans were presented as part of big data and AI showcases at industry expos. In Hebei, companies developing AI digital humans integrate them into broader metaverse, blockchain, and spatial computing initiatives. In Guangxi, the Lu Sanjie digital human sings in both Zhuang and ASEAN languages to greet audiences at sports and cultural events. In Hunan, a digital human version of Juxi interacts with visitors in Changsha, blending historical education with tourism. In Zhejiang, a digital human news commentator named Shaoxin delivers editorial content online. In Tibet, Baidu Smart Cloud launched AI digital companions designed to be deployed across vertical cultural and tourism services, and Kuangfu's AI digital human platform provides continuous, interactive content delivery. In Shanghai, a patented virtual cultural tourism platform integrates digital twin technology with virtual digital humans. In Shanxi-related coverage, Master Agent was highlighted for its development from a digital human supplier to an advanced AI agent system. In Beijing, a technology-driven cultural innovation initiative reduced digital human production costs from millions to tens of thousands of yuan, using platforms for light field imaging and 3D cloud rendering. In Shanghai's Minhang district, SenseTime's Vice President Zhao Feng noted that large models are pushing digital humans toward greater intelligence, with combined human plus digital employee models for HR services. In Guangzhou, Qian Network Technology patented a conversational system for virtual digital humans that balances proactive engagement with non-intrusiveness based on users' negative emotions. In Jilin, media company Jishi Media implemented AI systems capable of generating a digital human and full short video from a single photo. In Harbin, the Happiness Laboratory integrates real-time interactive digital humans with large models and AI agents for combined offline and online services. In Henan and Hunan, cross-border trade exhibitions included digital human solution providers alongside other AI and big data services. In Zhejiang, a legal case confirmed unauthorized commercial use of a virtual digital human video, marking a precedent in AI content rights. In Shandong and military-related public education, the Dunbao digital human increasingly adapts storytelling abilities through repeated audience interaction. In Hainan's AI microfilm, a key narrative centers on the protagonist learning of her nature as a digital human, intertwining personal identity and local cultural heritage themes. In Fuzhou, digital human Zuo Zongtang's interactive Q&A role combines historical storytelling with AI-driven engagement. A study by A. Maxim, R. Venkatakrishnan, and B. Locke examines the use of virtual health assistants, digital humans designed to guide patients through healthcare interventions, as scalable solutions whose effectiveness depends on user perceptions of realism. Using structural equation modeling with Black American adult participants, the research evaluates how the visual fidelity and voice naturalness of these virtual humans influence behavioral intentions, highlighting the importance of perceived realism for patient engagement and adherence. Rob Gallagher's contribution to the Bloomsbury Handbook of Sex and Sexuality in Game Studies discusses simulation games, software toys, and zero-player games that depict the evolution of virtual beings, noting their role as interactive experiments in digital life and heredity. Separately, R.E. Nantilia's work in the Bloomsbury Handbook of Sex and Sexuality in Game Studies addresses non-player characters, NPCs, as inherently virtual beings, examining the experiential and sensual dynamics between physical players and these digital entities, and the limitations of bridging the physical-virtual divide. L. Zhang, L. Mo, X. Sun, Zizhou, and J. Ren analyze how virtual influencers, VIs, on e-commerce platforms enhance consumer brand relationships by leveraging social presence to influence purchase behavior. A.M. Idris's work further explores the strategic use of digital virtual influencers in building brand awareness and reputation, identifying benefits for brand positioning and consumer engagement. J.Y.S. Chang, J.H. Cha, X.J. Lim, W.M. Lim, and X. Luo examine the role of virtual influencers in metaverse food festivals, focusing on their ability to drive Generation Z engagement through presence and authenticity in immersive virtual environments. Collectively, these studies map virtual influencers' expanding role across digital commerce and experiential marketing. S. Kumar, R. Jain, and A. Sharma present a literature review on anthropomorphic artificial intelligence, detailing how human-like features in AI, including those embodied in avatars and synthetic characters, enhance trust and emotional connection, thereby shaping consumer behavior. E. La Rosa and S. Conklin address ethical boundaries in the creation and deployment of deepfakes, which may involve synthetic human likenesses, by comparing intuitively ethical versus unethical applications and proposing contextual integrity as a guiding principle. N. Katuk, N. Nurdin, and A Hobble's book on the convergence of smart cities and the metaverse includes discussion of virtual beings within immersive, AI-driven urban environments, framing them as integral to future urban interaction models. J. Zhao and K. Chang's IEEE Access Study investigates the integration of AI and VR for immersive music experiences, focusing on synchronizing real-time music generation with visual elements in virtual environments. The research addresses applications in performance, music education, and therapy, highlighting interactive, AI-mediated avatars or digital characters as facilitators of multisensory engagement in these contexts. To make sure you never miss a new video and to help us reach more great viewers like you, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell icon.